In this video, you will learn how to set up your DX8 radio to use with the Chroma. Okay, first thing we got to do here is hold down the roller and turn the radio on at the same time. That's going to get us into our system setup menu. Then we want to go to Model Select and select a new model. I've got a couple in here, but we'll go ahead and select this one. And we want to reset it just to make sure it doesn't have any programming on it. So we'll scroll down to the reset, press the roller, reset number 29. And there we go. Now we're on a new model. So then we want to go to Switch Select in the same menu. We don't want to leave System Setup just yet. Go to Switch Select, and this is going to be assigning all of our functionality. So what I like to do first on the DX8 radio is, of course, clear out all of these settings just in case, so we know exactly what we're doing. We don't have any weird programming from the default setup. So now everything's inhibited, so we'll scroll back up, and we want to do gear to aux 1. So scroll down to gear, press that, go to aux 1. Oops. Then we're going to go to the knob and adjust that to aux 2. And then finally go to flight mode and put that on the gear channel. Once we finish these, we can back out of that and hit back again, and now we can go into the main flight menu. This is how we set up all of our travel for servos and throttle cut. So we'll click the roller once. We're going to go into servo setup, and we want to make sure that all of our reversing is normal. Now I believe the default for this radio is all normal, but we'll just double check by scrolling this over. And if this bar were to be on this side, it would be reversed, but we want to make sure it's all over here. So we'll just scroll up and down and see that bar is not moving, so we can back out of that menu. That's fine. Now we can go to throttle cut, scroll down a few, press that, and right now it's inhibited, but we want that to be on the trainer button. If I go all the way to the right and select trainer, and we don't need to touch anything else because it's already set up here. If I cycle that switch, you see how it's working there. So we can back out of that menu, and then we're going to go back up to servo setup and go to the travel menu for aux 1. So select this and scroll to aux 1. Select that again, and now we're on the high side, which will be 140%. And then we want the low side to be 100%. Now, what I did right there is just cycle the switch that we set up earlier, which is the back left switch. We'll cycle that to, we want to make this 120. And then just to double confirm, we'll go ahead and cycle that switch again and make sure that works. All right, guys, that's everything you need to do. Super simple. You're all set with your DX8 and ready to fly your Chroma. For this and other written setup guides for Spectrum radios, please visit knowchroma.com.